I'm going to show you how to check your YouTube activity history. So let's go to YouTube, and you want to go to the U section at the bottom right-hand corner, and then go ahead and hit that gear icon at the top right corner. So once you're here, you want to go down to where it says Manage All History. And from here, you can just scroll through and see what videos that you've watched, and it's going to show you all of the history for your channel. You can go to the little calendar icon here at the top left-hand corner and select a date so that you can find something more specifically. Really easy to do. You can go ahead and hit these X's and just go ahead and delete that history as well. And you can go ahead and hit the delete drop-down menu and then delete for certain ranges of time and all that stuff. Another thing that you can do here is go ahead to where it says interactions at the top right-hand corner. And this is going to show you all the video interactions that you have for comments. It's going to show you things for your likes and dislikes. So it's really kind of tailor-made to what you want to see, and it's real easy to filter through and check out that history. So it's your watch history, but it's also all of your interaction history as well. And that's it. Super simple and super easy.